I'm Dawn and I live here with my three sons. There's Monty who's 12 and Archie who's 10 and Malachi who's 3.
We recycle our food because if you don't recycle then sometimes it can go to a landfill where it can make lots of pollution for the environment.
We started off doing it a couple of years ago, partly because the council were offering this kind of sealed box, and then we've just become more and more environmentally aware really. We do tend to cook most of our meals from scratch, so there's quite a lot of different types of food waste. There's the kind of preparation peelings, and then of course afterwards they don't always eat everything, so there's usually a few bits of scrapings. When I'm preparing meat, I chop off any of the fatty bits and they go in with the peelings and all the other food waste to go off together, so bits like that will just go in. I put all the food waste into a kind of family-sized yoghurt pot, and that usually sits on my kitchen windowsill. And I prefer using that to the little council box thing with a lid because it's a bit more open, and also it just sort of looks nicer in the kitchen in the dark green plastic box. And then I can just at the end, after a couple of days, just transfer that into the council bin that they give us. I just advise people to find a system that works for the family and something that sort of fits in with the kitchen, whether it's a yoghurt pot or whatever it is they use. Just find a way that works for them really.
It's really easy to recycle because you can just put it away in a pot and leave it outside and the council will take it away, and that's really easy for us.
I have 3 children and I think it's important for them to see this kind of thing being done. It's a life skill really for the next generation.